In this video, I'm going to build a project with a 7-segment display in which a push button switch can generate a pulse and can increment the decimal numbers on the display. So let's get started. I have my 7-segment display, which is common cathode over here, as well as IC 4026. Let's connect pin 8, 2, and pin 15 of the IC to ground. Connect pin 3 and pin 16 of the IC to power. Connect pin 10 to segment A. Pin 12 to segment B. Pin 13 to segment C. Pin 9 to segment D. Pin 11 to segment E. Pin 6 to segment F. And finally, pin 7 to segment G. Connect 330 ohm resistor to the common cathode pin of the display and to the ground. Connect the 1 kilo ohm resistor to the first pin of the IC and to a blank spot on breadboard. Connect the anode of the LED, longer leg, to the resistor and the other side to the ground. Now let's connect the push button switch. One side of the push button switch is going to be connected to the positive rail of the breadboard. Connect the other side of the push button switch to the clock pin of the IC, which is pin 1. And let's connect the rails of the breadboard to each other. Positive terminal to the positive and negative terminal to the negative rail of the breadboard. Let's connect the power supply to the breadboard. I have 5 volts coming into the circuit. We are getting a 0 on the display for the beginning. Whenever I press the push button switch, the decimal numbers are going to be incremented on the display, and the LED is here to indicate the pulse generator. So let's test it. So as you see, the circuit works perfectly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like and do not forget to subscribe my channel.